Hello friends, so our project is almost near completion. Here you can see that this is the prototype label of our project. This is auto switch, screen off. Here comes. Uh, I will give all the details of all the components here placed on the board. Like you can see this part. What we are here we are doing is that it is simple the board that we have designed. This is the display and this is the code running. If you can see on the code, like let me remove this screen. Let me peel off this one. Right now, screen on. Here you can see it has time. I mean hour, day, date. This is minute. This is temperature, and this is direction. Right now it is showing south. Like if I try to rotate it will change. You can observe. Of course it need calibration. It requires basically calibration because each sensor right now, like this temperature is reading 38 degree, but it is not actual 38 degrees, so we need to calibrate it as per the actual thermometer. And this is this wire we have added for battery. This wire for battery, and this is the battery actual. It is a 220 mAh battery which will be used, and that was basically taken out from some abandoned smartwatch. So we are salvaging the things. See, okay. Now if we remove this one, like this is charging indication, let's say, right now it is working on its own with the battery. There will be some features like auto screen off which you have seen, and there will be also deep sleep mode because to save the battery. Some of the designers that have designed on YouTube, their watch it lasts 4 to 5 hours, and I have a projection of around 2 days maximum or 3 days on deep sleep mode. So right now like this one is off, so this is sleep auto sleep mode, right? Okay, like this I'll show you something like let's remove this one. See, if you can see, this was the bare one with nothing, just a PCB backside, and now this one. We have placed almost all the sensors. Like this is RTC R1307. This is BMP 180 for temperature and pressure. This is digital compass. This one is accelerometer, and the supporting resistors and capacitors. These are three switches. This is crystal required for this RTC. So if you can see, these resistors are basically that network resistor R2C resistors, and this space is empty here. I have made this space for BME 680. This is a Bosch sensor, environmental sensor, and it can measure temperature, pressure, humidity, and AQI level. So I have given a place. I haven't placed it, so let's try only with this one. Of course, there was some error because I'm not a perfect one. I'll show you the schematics of this also. Like that earlier, this button is reset button or back button. This button. If you press this one, the board will reset, or for menu it will go back. So for this connection, I was actually noob on designing PCBs. So here you can see this wires were jumpered, and actually it was to be connected to this place, but this was here, so no problem. And even in backside, if you see, actually this is a torch. I have added a feature of torch.